Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox as it's not loading, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open your settings and Google Chrome and head over to privacy and security DNS, search for DNS and just type in security, and for DNS provider make sure you use Google public DNS. Now as a second fix, make sure you when you run Roblox execute it as administrator. So this is a common fix. So and lastly, head over to your desktop files, your PC, and just search for Roblox. Locate the Roblox desktop essential folder, and you can also have here to go to Roblox and just go to local on Roblox and hit delete this folder, and your problem should be fixed. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave